This guide will help you calibrate your Xbox Series X to address FPS drops effectively. Follow these steps to optimize your gaming experience. Step 1. Check for system updates. Ensure your Xbox Series X is running the latest software. Go to Settings, select System, then Updates, and check for any available updates. Installing the latest updates can improve performance and stability. Step 2. Optimize game settings. Access the game settings for the title you're playing. Lower graphics settings such as resolution, texture quality, and shadow detail. This can help reduce the load on the console and improve frame rates. Step 3. Clear cache. To clear the cache, power off your Xbox Series X completely. Unplug it from the power source for at least 10 seconds, then plug it back in and power it on. This can help resolve performance issues caused by temporary files. Step 4. Manage storage. Check your storage space by going to Settings, then System, and selecting Storage. Ensure you have enough free space by deleting unused games or applications. A full hard drive can lead to performance drops. Step 5. Monitor background applications. Close any background applications that may be running while you play. Press the Xbox button on your controller, navigate to the game you want to play, and select Quit for any other applications. This can free up resources for your game. By following these steps, you should be able to calibrate your Xbox Series X and reduce FPS drops for a smoother gaming experience. Enjoy your gaming!